It's a very fair question to which I don't have a satisfactory answer. This has gone on for quite a period of time. The Oireachtas, I suppose, passed a law, and that law did put a number of measures in place. And those measures have had a positive impact in terms of giving the Gardaí power to seize scramblers. There was provision in relation to banning them outright from public spaces, and it seems that was never commenced. That's not an acceptable situation. It predates the times of Minister O'Brien and Minister Kenny, but our aim is to move forward in relation to this as quickly as possible. This is really important. Scramblers are now being used to intimidate communities. They're obviously posing a very significant danger in terms of road safety, and they have no place on public roads or in public spaces. I'm eager that we take further steps in relation to e-scooters as well. We cannot ignore the fact that the number one cause for children having brain-induced trauma in Ireland is now e-scooters. And yes, a child shouldn't be on an e-scooter below 16, but we need to help the Gardaí in terms of more powers around enforcement in relation to that as well. It's my clear view, and I believe it's the clear view of the Minister for Transport, that they should be seized and not returned. This can't be a question of taking a scrambler off someone for a few hours and somebody going back and asking kindly can they have it back. If you use a scrambler on a public road or in a public space, that should be seized and it should be destroyed by An Garda Síochána. That is the intention. The regulations will now move ahead at speed. It'll take a brief period of time, but I expect significant progress in this over the next few weeks.